Hello guys, Decent Muhloro here again and welcome back to my channel. And if you are new here, welcome to Decent Muhloro's channel. Today I've got a simple topic, but that is the most important, because I know you guys, you want this. No matter which age you are, you always want to know how can you discover your purpose, because some of us or some of you might be even older, 50 years and above, but you don't even have discovered your purpose yet. It really took me a long time, more than 5 years, for me to really discover what is it that I want to do in life. And I'm still in the process, but I now have a knowledge, a know-how about how best can you do that, because you know guys, it's quite a difficult journey, it's quite a difficult decision to do. I'm always happy when I see people like you tuning into topics like this, because these are the most meaningful topics. So most people think that there is a way that you really have to do when you are discovering your purpose, like a 1 2 3 4 steps. No, there isn't something like that. I'm here to give you good advice that is going to benefit, to help you and do exactly what you want. So in life, best thing that I found out for you to be able to discover your purpose is to explore. How do you know that this is the thing that I actually like to do before you do it? Some of you might be saying, how can I explore? I want to be a pilot. Can I drive can I pilot an aeroplane? No, let me correct you here. What I mean by exploring is a way of research, discovering a lot of things. That might be reading books, that might be watching TV about pilots. How do they do it? Do you really enjoy? What do you enjoy the most? And the best thing that I have found out, if you can actually turn your hobby into profit, into passion, that will be very, very, very meaningful, because you will be making money without ever having to work again. Like what I do, I just discovered that I really enjoy creating content. So I'm a content creator, no matter which kind of content, though I focus mostly on traveling and entertainment. Yeah, it's always some other things, but these are my calls. So whenever I'm doing that, I don't even have to think twice about doing it. I just find myself switching on the camera, lighting on the cameras, the lights, and I'm in front. And for your information, we actually have a photo studio that actually does a lot of videography and photography. That's content creation, that's content, because we are in the digital era. So whatever we do right now really has to be digital. So for you to be able to find what you really want, for people it might take years. You really have to be very patient with you. Enjoy, explore, do those kind of things that you always wanted to do without anyone having to limit you. Guys, I can tell you, a lot of our relatives, that might be our parents, mother, father, even our children, sometimes, given that we are old enough, might discourage us to do some other things that you actually feel like, wow, this is what I actually like and I feel like doing. But they'll be telling you, no, don't do that, do this. And some other times we'll be forced to do other things, because we want to pay bills, we want to eat, maybe you have a family. So I'd recommend you to have a side hustle or something that will be putting you money while you are pursuing, because you can make more and more and more and more through doing things that you like, things that are at your heart, things that you actually feel like, oh guys, if I really go to the gym, I feel good. You see? Yeah. So if you really go to the gym and you're enjoying being at the gym every time, why can't you be you can find a job at the gym, or you can own that gym, or you can be a fitness person, those guys who be models and stuff, doing those bodybuildings and stuff. I actually gave you 3 examples, so it's for you to choose. You know, the pie is bigger for everyone. if you want to go on the other side of the coin, you can be an entrepreneur at the gym. But remember, you are gymming, you are exercising every day, you are doing what you like. So other people try to come up with complicated ways of how can you discover your purpose, how to find your passion in life. But one thing that I would say is explore, do a lot of things, read books, watch the TV, go to the internet, research, Google, YouTube, a lot of online platforms, Facebook. You can learn as much as you have never done, even in experimenting. Even though other people say experience is the best teacher, sometimes you need to experience things. Go out there, don't limit yourself. Just go and do all those kind of things that you always wanted to do. On this channel, I will be giving you a lot of valuable advice that I'm sure that you will need, because I have that experience. I do research. Some of the things that I tell you here, I've already done them by myself, so it's not gonna be a huge problem. What you just need to do is to subscribe and make sure that you leave a thumbs up so that a lot of people will actually be able to see this video. Guys, I'm so grateful by the support that you're giving me on a daily basis. I can't really express enough how grateful I am for your subscription. I love you guys. I have been dying inside. How can I do things that are meaningful? How can I help someone out there who really need this help, who really need to know what can I do? How can I do something? So if you guys have a lot of questions about life in general, about business, how to start a business, because we really do have businesses that are functional and running right now. I have that knowledge, I have that information, I can share with you. So let me know in the comment section what you guys want me to give you next, so that I will always keep you updated. By the way, if you're a fan of traveling, I will be showing you different places, and I am sure that you guys are going to enjoy it, because the places that we are showcasing right now, I really have a lot of videos that are actually under the editing process, so that you guys can actually see them, about various places, various locations, various destinations, various foods, various even people as well. We've been interviewing people, profiling people, entrepreneurs, business people, sportsmen, right here in South Africa. We are doing all that kind of things. So I need you guys to keep on linked and tuned on my YouTube channel with this one. Thank you so much, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.